don't want to build your audience on these platforms. You want to get them off. Now, they can stay on there, but you want to be building an email list. And I can tell you, like, having 1 million followers on Facebook, which I don't have, I would rather have an engaged, I don't even know what the number would be, 1 million versus 10,000 emails versus 1 million followers on Facebook. I would rather have the 10,000 engaged people on email. Guys, email is where it's at. I cannot, it's really hard to build an ROI. It's really hard to know exactly how well every post is doing unless you have a call to action on every single post. If it's you're sending them back to somewhere, I cannot point to a specific post I posted with, hey, Cal and I are at the park today. What did that make me any money? No, it didn't make me any money at all. And so what's the point of that? Well, for me, it's more about I feel like I'm building a brand and I'm exuding my brand. I'm showing people that you can be a dad and you can work from home and you can go to the park on a Wednesday afternoon and hang out with your son. And I'm just showing that to people. And I want some of them to be like, I want that too. Where can I get that lifestyle? And some of them are going to come back to me and say, okay, what do you have that allows you to live that way? I want to live that way. I'm not selling an Amazon course. I'm not selling a Legends membership. I'm selling the lifestyle. I'm selling the freedom that people can have because of these things are just vehicles, Stephen. You know that. It's like most people we talk to that are selling on Amazon. It's not like, oh my gosh, I love selling on Amazon. It's the greatest thing in the world. Most people are frustrated with Amazon. They want to kick Amazon to the curb, but it's a great place to build a business. And I love talking about it because it's a place where people with very little income, even if you can start with a lot of income, but people who have no experience and don't have a ton of money to invest, even $0, you can start a business. And so it's a great vehicle for somebody. And so that's why I talk about it. And it's not that most people love selling on there. It's just it's an easy vehicle to get into, to get you where you want to go to. And so for me, social media is, it's almost like a billboard.
Yeah, I guess the definition of looking it up, because I was doing some research for this. Social media is that, and I guess I'll pull it up so I can read it off. Social media marketing is the use of social platforms to promote your products, goods, or services. It is marketing. It's just marketing on a new platform. I mean, they talk about the digital marketing versus traditional marketing. I think you also said it too, is like, you're not just selling the product. Like, you shouldn't be acting like a used car salesman on any platform of just like sell all the time. People don't want to be sold to all the time. But like Ryan said, he's not selling the Amazon vehicle to help you achieve the goal. He's showing you that this is what I do. I am taking my child to work. Are you at work? Well, I'm taking my child to work. I'm taking my child to the place that while you're at work, this is a possibility. You can do this. It's like showing that it can be done. That's how you're marketing to those people. So you said brand awareness. I guess that's brand awareness because you're on brand. You're a father trying to help other fathers stop going to the 9-to-5 if they don't like it and live the dream of whatever they want. If they want to take their child to fishing or do whatever, it's possible. Sometimes just showing people that it's possible and then directing them to, hey, I'm able to do this because, and then they follow you and go, oh, I like Ryan. Right. I've seen him before. He's taking his child to work or taking his child to this place that I keep on saying work because that's all I do. But he's doing something that I want to do. I want to follow Ryan. Then one of the posts that week is going to be about Legends. And then they're going to go, I've never heard of this. What is this? And then they're going to be curious and go find it. So social media should be that relationship building. It's almost a one-way communication, but you have the ability to answer on comments so you can have that relationship. And then he would ask you, hey, how are you able to do this? Don't you have to go to 95? Isn't there a traffic jam that you have to be stuck in? No, I actually do this. And you can also tell them about your products, goods, or services. But using social media, I think it is a marketing platform. I'm not saying everything you're doing should be marketing, but if Ryan's posting on his brand's page. It should be on brand. Like Ryan shouldn't be, it's very inappropriate. This probably won't happen, but like outside the strip club, like that's not on brand for Ryan. That's not what Ryan's about. But anything that you're posting, you should at least filter it through like, is this going to the person that I hope to help? Then let me post this and show them that this is possible. Mm-hmm. And if they follow me, then I can show them how to. But I agree with you too. Those platforms are not necessarily your audience that you can directly interact with. You want them to go to an email list. My purpose for having any of that social media is to drive them to connect with me through email. I almost don't care about the views or the amount of followers on a platform. I care a lot more about that email list than anything else.
Yes, for sure.